The implementation of national education policy will be completed in all grades by 2027-28, and next 2 years will be used for cluster formation and physical restructuring of the institutions wherever required so as to complete NEP implementation in the state by 2030. In the year 2024-25, NEP 2020 implementation was continued to Balvatika in foundational stage and grade 9 of secondary stage. Goa is the first state to constitute Goa State School Standards Assessment and Accreditation Authority to ensure that the National Education Policy 2020 is implemented to its fullest potential. The state government has introduced CM Suvidya scheme for upgradation of vibrant infrastructure and development of holistic and productive academic environment. My government is promising solar rooftops in the state for residential sector, including target set for 100% renewable energy through the launch of YM Vinmulya, which Yevjan 2024 to ensure zero electricity bill and free residential rooftop up to 5 kilowatts for residential consumers consuming 400 units or less per month for the last 1 year period. The state intends to provide subsidy on first come first serve basis to achieve the target of 10 MW of residential rooftop by June 2025 by de-wetlining existing scheme to the PM Suryagar Mat Bijili Yojana.